What do you want, ho?
Dang, that's fucked up, man. Why you gotta talk to me like that? Wow. Wayne, what are you doing?
On my computer working.
Can I come over?
Yeah.
All right, bet. You stinky ass hoe, I had you on camera the whole time.
Yeah.
What's going on, YouTube fam, and welcome back to another video. We're here today with Wang as he attempts.
Hold this.
Oh man.
Oh gosh.
As my man attempts to put E85, well, not attempting, he's actually doing, but putting E85 in his M4. I told you guys he has some go fast parts, and as you can see, got to fill her up with that corn. But today is an exciting day for me because me and Wang are on our way right now to Samuel's Auto Body Shop, where we dropped off the M3 about 3 weeks ago now to get the hood painted, to get the door painted, everything put on the car, and everything looking good again. So that's where me and Wang are headed right now. He's fueling up right now, and then we're gonna be on our way there. And I don't know if you guys remember, but in the last video I did say there was a surprise that I was gonna have installed on the vehicle a little bit later down the road. And over here we have something else that I'll be doing today as well, or in the time to come. I won't show you what it looks like yet. So super excited to see the M3, and I will update you guys once we get there. All right guys, so we have made it here at Samuel's Auto Body Shop, located here in Sanford, Florida. Wang is currently over there looking at the M3, getting his opinion. It does look like he's smiling. Let me see if I can zoom in the editing. So he's over there looking at it for me. I haven't seen the vehicle yet, so I'm gonna probably give him the GoPro so that we can get, you know, a real reaction of, you know, me seeing the car after they've done the work. So I'm gonna go look at it now. I'm gonna hand the GoPro to Wang so we can get a real life reaction. I'm gonna close my eyes.
We just, as he gets over here.
Tell me when to stop because I don't know where I'm going.
Keep going. Oh, you're about to walk in water. Go to your left. And all right, let's look.
Oh man, I'm gonna look. Oh man. Oh, it's so tough. God damn. Yo. Woo. All right. Yo. I don't even know what to say, low key.
Oh, I forgot about the vents, dog.
Yo. It's so tough. Wow. That is literally spooky how well they got that paint match. Oh my god. Here, let me take the camera. All right guys, so let me explain real quick. So like I said earlier in the last video, I did mention that there would be a surprise getting done to the F80 M3, and it was in that little box. So what was in that little box was actually the GT4 BMW race car air duct, carbon fiber air duct vents. Now, I don't know how well you guys can see these, but as you can see, this is where they go on the vehicle on both sides. Now, the reason for me doing this is that, one, I plan on making them functional because right now they're not functional. So if anybody is familiar with the BMW GT4 race car of this body style, the F generation, there's pretty much two sets of cooling ducts and vents that work to cool the front brake pads and rotors while the vehicle is going around the track. It has that, and then it also has two lips and the pork chops that are located underneath the lip that meet with the fender liner actually have hoses that route from there to the back portion of the rotor where the hub is. And as the vehicle is driving, it's cramming air into the back portion of the rotor, keeping the rotor cool as the vehicle is braking so that it doesn't overheat, that they don't run into heat soaking issues like that when braking going around the track. So as of right now, obviously, because I just got the car back from the body shop, the air ducts are not functional, but that is a plan of mine to eventually make them functional. My buddy Caleb, he has a pretty much full track build M4, and he just had his installed recently. So me and him are kind of working together on mocking up the hoses that are going to be leading from behind the front bumper, from the air ducts to the back portion of the rotors where the rotor meets the hub, in order to keep everything nice and cool. Because I also do plan on at least having 4 track days this year alone, if at all possible, if everything comes together as I'd like, you know, with planning, weather, you know, work and anything like that. Whew. But yeah, definitely car definitely looks great. They did a fantastic job on matching the paint. I mean, wow, I can't even tell a difference. And I mean, like, I'm in direct sunlight right now. I mean, obviously I'm gonna have to see it in like other lighting settings and things like that, but in direct sunlight right now, everything seems to be spot on, 100%. I don't see any blemishes. But I just got here, so now I gotta go pay the bill. Pray for me. I don't know what it's gonna be yet. I mean, I have a good idea of what it's gonna be, but you know, hopefully they're nice to me and they they throw a discount or something on, but who knows. All right guys, so I paid the bill, and it actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. In all honesty, I had a rough ballpark of what it was gonna be, but they actually ended up throwing a little bit of a discount on there as well, just because they had the car a little bit longer than they anticipated. You know, and obviously they told me, you know, they wouldn't want me to pay, you know, a larger amount, you know, for them obviously having the vehicle longer than they had anticipated, and I completely understand that. But if any of you guys have been on the channel long enough, if any of you guys have been subscribed to the channel long enough to know this, and I literally can't make this up, but anytime I want to do something that involves it needing to be perfect weather, it rains. If you go all the way back to when I bought the S1000, the RR, the bike, the day I bought that bike, it was raining. And then if you watch the videos forward, anytime I wanted to install a mod on the bike, or I needed it to be sunny outside so I could do something to the bike or with the bike, it would rain. So just a quick story, when I ended up dropping off the M3 that Wednesday, I told you guys it was very cold. You know, we had like record lows here in Florida. Well, that day after I dropped the car off, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, it was literally like 40 degrees here in Florida, and it was raining consistently. And if any of you guys know, it's not a good time to paint, obviously, when it's cold and wet outside. So you know, the car literally almost sat here a week, and you know, they weren't able to do anything with it because of the weather here in Florida. So you know, that was unfortunate, you know, and they ended up, you know, like I said, they compensated me for that, so that's awesome of them, you know, for doing that for me. But I just want to show you guys again how good this looks. You know, again, like if you guys are new here to the channel, you know, I just had a lot of work done to the F80 OEM GTS/CS hood done, brand new doors on, paint matched. Everything looks good. Fenders paint matched, front bumper paint matched. And this is what I want to point out to you guys right here. Tell me how sick that is. I mean, look at that. That literally looks OEM. They got the edge right here on the hood, absolutely 100% perfect. I mean, this literally looks like it was painted OEM. That's so crazy. So I'm 100% satisfied. Brad actually came out here. He spoke to me. You know, he said ironically that painting the hood was a little bit rougher than he had anticipated. I mean, even though this is an OEM part from BMW, so it already comes primered, he said that it was a little more difficult because of how wavy it is and all the body lines of the hood and that. So they actually did end up having to sandblock it, I think he said, down twice in order to get it how he wanted it, you know, in order to make it come out perfect. And then, you know, they ended up painting it. So 100%, I mean, everything looks fantastic. All the match For the paint is 100% spot on. I mean, I can't even tell, again, I can't even tell that the vehicle was painted. The door looks great. We don't have a ding down here at the bottom anymore, thank God. Everything is definitely in working condition, and everything does look fantastic. Even Brittany, the office manager, who you guys saw in the video where we dropped the car off, she even said that the car looks badass. They actually ended up asking me to take photos of the vehicle to post on their social media, to show off the car, to show off the work that they did. And I told them 100%, you know, absolutely. You guys can tag me, I'll tag you guys. I mean, you guys did a fantastic job, obviously, as you guys can see. You know, so they were super stoked about it. Obviously, I'm super stoked about it. And right now I'm just rambling on. So me and Wayne, we're gonna wrap it up. We're gonna head out of here. We're gonna head back to our place. Real quick, guys, before we leave here, before I forget, again, huge shout out to Samuel's Auto Body Shop, located here in Sanford, Florida. You can look them up online. You can look them up on their social media. They do a lot of custom work. Obviously, as you can tell by my vehicle, they do a fantastic job with every vehicle they touch. 100% recommend these guys. If you're looking to have something custom done to your vehicle and you want it done the right way the first time, 100% I recommend them. Just had to put that in the video before I forgot. Definitely got to give credit where credit is due, and credit is definitely due with these guys. They're definitely no joke. So all right, guys, so we are back here, back where me and Wayne live, and we got the car parked right here. And as you guys can see, it does look very good. The sun is setting, so let me show you guys what the paint looks like as the sun sets. Might be hard to tell on camera, but it does look very well matched. And we got Wang right here getting some cinematic shots for me, maybe even some pictures. Kyler did end up showing up as well. He's right over there with his new lens, the big boy, the sniper. That's why he's standing so far away. Kyler, what's your opinion, buddy?
I'm jealous. It is so clean.
Little do they know. Little do they know.
We got more coming.
We got more coming, baby.
Stay tuned. But yeah, just like how the bottom had like the carbon. It looked so good. Now it looks even better with like the brake ducts and the hood, of course.
Of course, right.
And now we're about to add a little nice touch.
Little nice touch.
Next video.
Next video. Like Kyler was saying, everything looks fantastic. Guys, again, I highly recommend if you're looking to have any custom things done to your vehicle, whether that be a BMW, a Porsche, a Dodge, whatever the case may be, I highly recommend that you hit up Samuel's Auto Body, located in Sanford, Florida. I'm absolutely 100% satisfied with the outcome of my car. It was worth every penny that I spent. So I definitely would recommend them as well. But that's gonna close out this video, guys. Stay tuned, because we're about to install another mod. That's gonna be in the next video. And also you're gonna see something on Kyler's car. Hopefully by then he ends up coming out with a reveal for it as well. But stay tuned, guys. I appreciate you guys as always. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.